Hello TankScan fans, in this video we're going to show you how to change tank information. First you'll have to have admin privileges, and then next we're going to start from this grid's tanks view. For our example, if we look at the details tab, I'm going to change this red diesel to a diet diesel, and I'm going to add a note to this field that says located behind the barn. So to do that, I go up to the upper right hand corner. I go to my administrative console. That opens another tab for administration. And I go to the upper left corner and I select the admin. I select the assets from the pull down menu. And I go to my tanks and I look for my red diesel tank and I select edit. And then here I'm going to change that name, as I mentioned, to a diet diesel. And I'm going to add in here notes. Located behind, let me spell that correctly, behind the barn. And I can go ahead and hit OK, and that is saved in success. And when I come back here and I refresh and select that details, and you see that my red diesel is changed to dyed diesel, and I can scroll down and I can see my notes are updated, located behind the barn. That concludes this how-to video. Thanks for joining, and please find more quick start videos at tankscan.com/video.